In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Canva on all devices. If you've ever left your Canva account logged in on a shared computer or need that extra level of security, knowing how to remotely sign out from multiple devices is essential. Follow along and we'll walk through the steps to make sure your Canva account stays secure. Let's start with the very first step. Open up Canva on your preferred device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now this can be done on any device, whether you're using a desktop, laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a small icon that looks like a gear or wheel. This is your settings icon. Click on that. It's usually located toward the bottom left corner of the screen on desktops, or you might find it in a drop-down menu if you're on a mobile device. This icon is your gateway to managing your account settings and preferences. After clicking on the settings icon, you'll be brought to a new page where you can access a variety of settings related to your Canva experience. Look through the options and find the section labeled Login and Security. Under this section, you'll see the login option listed. Go ahead and click on that link. Accessing your login and security settings is an important step, as it directs you to the area where you can manage your account sessions and security features. Once you are in the login section, you'll find various details about your account's login activities. Here, you're looking for the option that says Sign out from all devices. This is typically located toward the bottom of the page under the active sessions list. Clicking this will immediately sign you out of Canva on all devices where your account is currently active. It's a convenient way to ensure that all previous sessions on perhaps shared or unfamiliar devices are terminated. This action gives you peace of mind knowing that no one else can access your Canva account without your permission. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've secured your Canva account by signing out of all devices. Remember, this is a great habit to get into if you often access Canva from multiple devices or shared computers. Keeping your account secure is vital in today's digital age, where privacy checks like these are an excellent step toward that security. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check your settings every now and then to stay on top of your account activity. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of these steps, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips.